In this video, we will learn to use the multimeter for different purposes. Here is the theory of the activity that we will learn, where first is to find to use the multimeter to find the DC voltage, AC voltage, value of carbon resistance, and to check the continuity. And this is the observation table. Now let's start the experiment here. This is the battery eliminator which is providing us DC supply, and the knob is on 2 volt and the multimeter is reading 2.2 volt, and the knob of the multimeter will be set at 20 volt as shown here. Then the knob of the battery eliminator is shifted to 4 volt and the multimeter is reading around 4.5 volt. Then AC DC battery can be checked by measuring its voltage, just like showing here. One is of around 9 volt, other one is of around 8.4 volt. Next we will measure the AC voltage, where we will use the step down transformer. Here it is, 220 volt AC supply will be stepped down to 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt, 9 volt, and so on with the help of that device. Now multimeter is set to AC 200 volt, and now first supply is 2 volt and the voltmeter is showing 1.5 volt AC. Then the supply is shifted to 4 volt and the voltmeter is recorded 4.1 volt. Next, for 6 volt it is showing 6.7 volt. Then for 8 volt it is showing 8.8 volt. Then we will use it to measure resistance. Here by color coding the value of resistance is 220 ohm. By multimeter it is showing 217 ohm. Here the knob of the multimeter is at 2000 ohm. Next, for 820 ohm it is showing 819 ohm. For 47 ohm, which is calculated by color coding, multimeter is showing 47 ohm. The knob of the multimeter is at 2000 ohm. Then the last one is 4700 ohm, where the knob of the multimeter is shifted to 20k and it is showing 4.61k. Now we can check the continuity by shifting the knob of the multimeter to the sound symbol. Here, when if the circuit is continuous, it will give a beep sound. It can be easily heard. The beep sound shows the continuity of the circuit, means current is passing through this circuit. When you will touch two different points, it's showing the current is passing. The beep sound is there. Now all the readings will be tabulated in the observation table. Here for the resistance only two readings are written here. Next, for DC source and AC source all the readings are written. Thank you.